Hello guys, welcome to my channel Life and Food Ranger, and here I am going to show how to grow money plant in fish tank or aquarium. It's a easy way, easy technique I am going to show here. First of all, I already have existing aquarium and money plant here. I started 6 months ago. Here I have my aquarium. I have some stones, filter, and I have my motor and the plants which have the roots, and some few fishes is there. Okay, these are grown last 6 months. It's an easy way and it's growing very fast. It's better than putting to the pot or something. No need to feed the food to the fish, no need to daily, no need to do any water to the plants. It's easy. And you can see here filter. This filter we have to place in the bottom. Place properly. And this filter also have there is a tight area, you can tie it and just place into the aquarium. After that we have some stones. Just take the stones and place top of the filter. Place slowly, because if this stone fall down very fast on these glasses, it can be broken easily. It will break, so carefully. Once it's ready, you can arrange. If you like pink color, arrange in front of. I like yellow, that's why I'm trying to arranging yellow color in front of the aquarium, so it will be more beautiful. And I have some stones, natural stones I am placing here. Once it's ready, we have to add the water very slowly. If you can add the water through the pipe, but all should slowly, not fast, because the aquarium glasses is like a balanced, like we don't want to break, so carefully add some water to the aquarium. And I just added 70%, almost 70 to 80% is fine. So now we have our existing money plant with roots. Please take carefully and add it to the aquarium, and just arrange the roots. Just make some way for fish. They need to move, no? So just make some ways and arrange properly, but do not break any roots. It should be carefully, yeah? My motor. This motor is small because my aquarium is small. If you have the aquarium big, buy a big motor and place a motor carefully in the back side, and just take it out, the air filling pipe to the out, not in the water, should be out, huh? Switch on the motor, and I have one LED light. It's a blue light. I like light in the aquarium because I need to see in the night time the roots, fishes, how it going. I like to see. It's feeling naturally, you know. See now. Now, not bad. It's okay. Anyway, I'm not I'm not giving more effort, but it's fine. My main point is money plant should grow. So my money plant is growing very fast. So I'm giving more importance only there more than the fish. I can buy more beautiful fishes, but I don't want. I need to grow my money plant properly in a cheap way. Okay, it's growing. It's fast. It's just 6 months only. So I'm not giving any effort to this. Once I did, I don't want to put water on money plant. I don't want to put any fertilizer. I don't want to feed my fish. They can eat some bacteria or something in the roots, because there are only 5-6 fishes, and the fish waste, it will take the money plant. So it can be a good way. I hope people can use, people can enjoy the aquarium. If you have a big aquarium, I'm sure you can put more fishes, so it will be maybe more beautiful than mine. Okay, and okay, I can check the temperature now. Yeah, temperature is normal. So I'm going to put the my fish on. Just added the fish. Now you can see here. How is it? It's fine, not bad. Okay, enjoy the video, guys, and subscribe my channel. Next time I will add some other useful video to everybody. Have a nice day. Bye.